Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's a girl Checha Stitches. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys steps I took in designing this popular Korean tote bag. In this channel, I share dressmaking and bag making tutorials. If this sounds like something you're interested in, keep watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share for more. Let's get started. The material I'm working with for this tote bag is a black chinox material, and I have here is 1 yard of that. 1 yard is going to be enough for you to design the size of my own tote bag. The first step you are going to take is for you to cut out the front and back of your tote bag. So the length I cut out for mine is 14 inches and the width is 17 inches. So I'm going to be cutting out for both the front and back of this tote bag. I'm going to measure the body of this tote bag to help me get the length for the side. So from this point to this point, I measured mine. I got 43.5 inches. So here is the side of my tote bag. The length is 43.5 inches and the width is 6 inches. The next step I will take right now is to fold the edge of the side. I'm going to fold it using small inch. I'll also do the same thing to the main body of this tote bag, both the front and the back. Just watch carefully the parts I'll be folding. I picked one of the body and I'll be stitching the front bag to it. I've already folded the edge of this front bag. The length I cut out before folding is 10 inches and the width is 17 inches. So right now I'm going to place this material in front this way, and at the down part of this bag I'm going to measure up 1 inches. Then if I measure up 1 inches, I make sure that the pocket stays like around that 1 inches, and at the side I'm going to measure in 1.5 inches on both sides. So watch carefully how I'm going to go show you guys how you go right on your sewing machine and go about the stitching. For the short handle for this tote bag, I wanted to work with this belt and also work with this belt for the long handle, but it won't be possible. So I'm going to keep this belt for the long handle and then use my fabric to create and the short handle. So I've already cut out those small piece. The length is 19 inches and the width is 4 inches. I'm going to go right on my sewing machine and fold it while I come back then and attach it to the main body of the bag and stitch. I'm going to attach a demarcation inside this bag. I've already cut out the small material. The length is 11 inches, the width is 15 inches. But before stitching it inside the bag, I'm going to first of all stitch this small stripe so that you'll be able to attach the long handle there. So the length is 4 inches and the width before I folded is also 4 inches. So I'm going to now attach my D-ring to it. Then I'll come to the side of the bag. I'll come down by, let me say, 2 or 3 inches and then attach the to and go right on my sewing machine and stitch. So guys, these are steps I took in designing this popular Korean tote bag. In designing this particular style of tote bag, we have different methods. Sometimes people can add zip to theirs, sometimes no zip or nothing inside. It depends on how you want to design yours. And yeah, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share for more. Thank you guys. See you guys in my next video. Bye.